by going up here to click create and create a new post-fire project. When I click on that, it brings me to the map. I don't have to be right here, but it brings me to the map that just had open the last place that I had it zoomed to. And then what I can do is, for now, I can draw a polygon. For projects, we have future tickets that will allow you to upload shapes or copy shapes for projects. But right now, just the only thing we can do is draw. So what I would do would be to just draw a polygon. And you'll notice that because IFPRS is a geospatial first project program, that's the first thing you do for everything. If I'm creating a treatment or activity, same thing I do is put the geometries in there. And then I fill the information out. So if I'm creating a project that wasn't from a fire perimeter, the only fields that we have in here right now for this is going to be your name, and you're required to put in a unique name. So you'll see that I can put a test project in, and if I click this verify button, it gave me a check mark here that said, okay, you're good to go. If I believe, I don't know that I have one offhand. If I were to put something in here that was a name of another one that was already in existence, it would say, hey, this one already has a project. You need to go make sure you're not creating a duplicate, that kind of thing. I'm just gonna hit save real quick. And then the other field that you can fill out is notes. Right now, since the post-fire project program is like, kind of in its infancy, you guys are just getting in there, just getting started. So I know that in the future, we will be adding fields for projects, especially in the realm of the projects that aren't related to a fire perimeter, because you'll see all of these fields, they're related to fires, right? We pulled it from that fire perimeter if it existed, but this time we didn't link it to a fire perimeter, so there's nothing to pull in. So this is going to be, Lou, this is your, what was that? Plants, something?
Yeah,
Plant?
this would be the plant materials stuff.
Plant materials. There you go. I'm learning. I'm trying.
You're doing well.
So these plant materials projects, I think that's what most of these are. Again, this is, I'm sure you guys are gonna come up with fields, and it's important to remember that if you do come up with fields for projects that you're missing that would be very helpful for the project, that you let Henry know, that you run it up the chain, that you let Lou know, or your leads. Yeah.